Completing multiple performance tasks blank challenging for most students. Is or are. Huwag kayong malilito, hindi performance tasks ang subject dito. Baka kasi isipin nyo, since tasks yung malapit, sa verb, mag-plural na kayo agad. Ang subject natin dito ay itong completing. And this one, as we all know, is a gerund. Gerund is the ing form ng verb na nagpa-function as noun. So dito, in fact, nag-function siya as our subject. At ang laging tatandaan, kapag gerunds act as subjects, lagi silang singular. So dito, yung gerund natin na completing, ang dapat na i-take niya na agreement is singular agreement pa rin. Answer is letter A, is completing multiple performance tasks is challenging for most students. Same pag sinabi kong studying for long hours is the key to acing exams. Hindi porke plural yung hours, plural agreement na siya. Tingin kayo dun sa studying. Studying is also a gerund there na siya yung pagbabasihan natin ng singular agreement.